Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change Growatt AC site parameters, grid parameters. So frequently there will be the error coming, reflecting on the display, that is AC voltage outrange. So frequently we used to call to service engineer, right? So here we can change grid site parameters by using Shine Phone application itself, but data logger should be non, that is inverter should be all, data logger should be get configured, okay? So first sign into the login username and password. So click on the inverter. So scroll down. After login, scroll down, and here in my device list, click on the inverter. And here down menu, you can find control. Go to the control menu, and here you can see that you can set active power, reactive power, inverter. We can set date and time of the inverter also. Over voltage, under voltage, under frequency, over frequency, everything we can set here. But make sure whatever the changes you are going to set should be under the limit only. For example, if you are for single phase, over voltage will be maximum to maximum 280 or 285. If you keep 310, then if this engineer comes to know that you changed this kind of thing, then he will consider it as unauthorized setting, and it will consider as out of warranty. So make sure it should be under the limit only. So for example, over voltage setting I am doing here. Type the password here, company name Growatt, year, month and date. If you are trying it tomorrow, then tomorrow is 20, it should be 20. Last it is 19, right? It should be 20. So year, month and day it should be okay. Press on OK. So it is actually 270, right? So I'm going to change this to 280. Okay, press on is yes, successfully done. Okay, so for cross checking I am checking again, it's 280. Okay, low voltage, let us check under voltage. For under voltage it should be, for a single phase it should be 270. Okay, press on OK again. Press on is, and frequency you have to check. Over frequency it should be 52. Press on OK. Go back. Sorry. Under frequency should be 47. Press on is. Yes. Now under frequency, over frequency, under voltage, over voltage, got set it. Now go to, so main thing you have to check changes inverter time. So many times customer will not do this thing, installer will not do this thing, just install, plug and play. It is in Growatt inverters like plug and play, you can install and go back. So there is no need for any changes also. So like that, installer never concerned about date and time, what is the date and time in the inverter, because it is main thing which shows us wrong generation in on online also, and as well in inverter also. Okay, so this thing you have to change. So what is now 1831, right? So I'm going to change here 1831. So if you click on here, it will reflect here. Press on OK and done. Yes. So now go back. So in this way you can change grid parameters, date and time setting also. Okay, so make sure everything should be under limit only. For single phase, high voltage should be 280, low voltage should be 170. For three phase, high voltage should be 480, under voltage will be 320. Okay, and thank you.